What's up everyone, and here we go with another unboxing. For this week unboxing, we are unboxing the Punkston TH61 mechanical keyboard. Before I start talking about this keyboard, I want to say that on my previous videos I unboxed the Razer keyboard, also Dragonic and EVGA keyboard. If you're interested on those mechanical keyboards, you can find them in the link above and also at the end of the video. But for this keyboard, we can see this is a mechanical gaming keyboard, but I will tell you what's the difference between this mechanical keyboard and the other one that I previously unboxed. The brand of this keyboard, Punkston, is a new brand that you can find it only on Amazon, and I believe it's a Chinese brand, as the user manual and all of the other things including the software for it are written in Chinese. But as you can see, the keyboard comes with a user manual, also with a switch puller and a key cap puller, and also 4 keys to test out a different color of the keys. The price for this keyboard was $44.99. After tax, it's about $50. The keyboard has customizable RGB backlight. 5 custom modes are available with 13 unique preset backlight effects of various chroma with capabilities to adjust brightness, color, and backlight cycling the speed of individually backlight keys. And as you saw the keys, the trick with this keyboard is that the keys are hot swappable, but there are not a regular hot swappable key that have the 2 pins behind it, whereas this one is a Hotswappable optical switches. So the switch that you are getting is an optical switch, and if you want to get another switch for it, you have to get an optical switch. Let's go ahead and see a sound test of this keyboard, and then after that I will talk about the optical switches and some other important things that you need to know about the software of this keyboard, so stay tuned. As you saw the sound test, the switches feel very clicky, and also while you're typing you can feel the spring behind them. The company pre-looped the keys, so you don't have to worry about looping the keys. Typing, you can feel a little bit difference that these are not real mechanical keys and they are optical keys, and maybe that can be a disadvantage of this keyboard, as it is very hard to find optical keys online, and the price for them may be a little bit higher rather than the normal switches that you can find available everywhere. However, optical keys have its own benefits too, including that you can register the key presses at the speed of light and that clicky sound you heard, and they also last 50 million key presses. Another thing about this keyboard is that it's solid build quality, meaning it has the IPX4 waterproof approved, and since the switches are optical switches and they also created the circuit waterproof, you don't have to worry about the spilling any drinks on it, and it is very easy to clean, and the design of the drainage hole can quickly drain the water if anything happens to it. That's a really good option. And it also has programmable macros, and you can use the software to program the macros that you want. However, once you want to install the software, for some reason Windows Defender detects the software as a virus, so you can install it at your own risk. But if you don't want to install it, I don't personally want to use the software, and as you can see right here, we can control all of the RGB from the keyboard. So if you don't want the macros, there is no need to install the software and you can control everything from the keyboard. However, the software is a Windows software, and if you are a Mac user, you are not able to use the software. For now, let's go ahead and see what the other switches sound like. Now that you saw what the other switches sound like, let's go ahead and take out one of the keycaps and see what's below it. As you can see, this keyboard that I ordered, it's a blue switch, and we can also see the RGB light below it and the loop that the factory did on it. And this was the ultra compact mini mechanical keyboard, and I really liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Other than this, thank you so much for watching this video.